Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are well. I am also well by the grace of Allah. Welcome back to my crypto project reviewer channel. And today I am going to talk about a decent project and its PNP. PNP coin, one of the best project in this time, and it's a world first globally decentralized network, and where you can buy and sell shares and solving the cryptocurrency trust problem. And is world first regulated cryptocurrency. And today, my topics is their roadmap, their token sale, and about their token and project future. And here you can see regulated cryptocurrency, and here you can easily sign up and sign in. And in my next video, I will show you how to sign up in this site. So they have built a platform with full security, and their first priority is security. And they are reinventing the regulation in cryptocurrency that is a secure, smart, and easy to use platform, and completely disrupting the way business raise capital and the way investor buy and sell share. So here you can easily buy and sell your share. You can easily buy your share and you can easily sell your share. So it's very easy to use and it's very secure and smart. So here its feature is a centralized platform aiming to solve this problem of data ownership and crowd wisdom. Here community is the number one source of developing a blockchain and rewards mechanism. Members are paid for a referral with a massive bonus. So, how Pinpicoin works? It's the common question for all, and ISO brings together the best of both traditional business and agile crypto models, which is to be used in venture funding. And number one is investors generally funnel their money by making investment into various product, sector, and project as well. And number two is the money invested in the project will reap benefits gradually and keep out return. Number three is the return generated from the project are then finally passed on onto the investor, which helped the project to grow and develop. And here, number four, owner of cryptocurrency keep their digital coins in ISO digital wallet. And number five is when a person invests some in an ISO, he directly funnel his money onto the project like venture funding in our case, and the benefit are reaped and sent back to the investor at the rate at which the project or the firm develops. So here's their graph investment, project investor and returns. So pillar of PNP coin. The pillar of PNP coin is the cryptocurrency industry is one of the most talked industry in the finance sector. Soon, regulated cryptocurrency will be the hot topic of the industry, and their pillar is crypto investor and centralized network, crypto developers, and general payment. And it's crypto investor from a creative community, natural art understanding, and network with other investor and centralized network, a clear chain of command, focused vision, quick implementation of decision, and crypto developers, highly skilled developers, smart contract architecture, and cryptography techniques. And here you can also see the general payment, complete KYC, diligence, the bank verification, and complete transparency, high secured payment gateway. And here's the crypto solution. Here the relation of blockchain, fraud reduction, and next generation wallet recovery nodes. And download their documents here. You can also read their documents here, white paper presentation. Here's the privacy policy and terms and sales. PNP coin sale. Here start October 15th, 2021 and end October 31, 2021. It's almost 15 days to go. Here, acceptable currency is DK, USD, INR, and EUR. A number of coins for sale. Here, the 25 lakhs PNP tokens and tokens exchange rate 2.2 is KD is equal to 1 PNP token and a minimal transaction amount 1000 tokens. So here's the distribution of PNP coins and use of proceeds and founders and terms 20%, reserve funding 25%, advisor 3%, bounty campaign 2%, and distributed to community 50%. And here operations 12%, legal 6%, management 16%, production development 27%, and marketing sales here merchant here the partnership 39%. Here's their roadmap. Their project is start June 2029. Here 2019 develop of scoring model and October 29 2019 develop of a coin platform and November 2019 implementing of coin platform. It's already gone and now it's running the July 2021 initial coin offering stage, auction stage on PNP is equal to 1.3 SKD. And December 2021 expected 500,000 PNP user worldwide. And April 2022 PNP will be raised expected 1 million user on PNP is equal to 2 SKD. And May 2022 PNP coin will be available for trading in the top most exchange. And May 2023 PNP expected to reach 1% value of Bitcoin growth. Here's their media partner, the Business Connect, the Global Business Line, Staker Times, Fame, and Tricity, Daily.com, and Global Stairs. Here the American Reporter, First Post. So here's Bitcoin will be available in partner trading platform from May 2022 at the Binance, Bittrex, Coinbase, Crypto.com, eToro, and Kraken. And there's their global presence: Hong Kong, India, Australia, Ireland, here America, Dubai, Malaysia, and Singapore. And here get it does just put your name and email, and here's your message body and submit here. So it's my first video about this project. In my second video, I will discuss about this project in detail. So stay with me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you again. Goodbye.